The reason there's no Kristi bird in the state of Kansas is because the bitch, Kristi, is such a bitch. She laid the law before the whole county of Bandera, Texas. Even on brown neutral gang territory. Alright. And she leaves, drives in her car, and goes away. Along comes a bird to the house of Kristi. The bird copies Kristi to the everyone. Nobody forgot that it was her house, but and then like a week later, Kristi comes driving in her car. Bitch, 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 bitch. Kristi leaves, and the bird comes back. She fucking